Hey everybody, this is Matt from endsickness.org. Today I'm going to be talking about how you use raw colostrum to restructure your immune system, okay? If your immune system is completely knocked out and everything is a mess like it was with me, why the colostrum is so helpful, okay? So before that, let me first say I am not a medical doctor. This is not medical advice. This is for informational and educational purposes only. And this is based upon my personal experiences, okay? So back to raw colostrum, okay? Let's say you're in a situation where you have extreme overload of bacteria. You got candida through the roof. You got parasites. You got mold sensitivity. You got all of it combined together into one, and the impaired detox system, right? The immune system is just ultra sluggish. You're reacting to everything. It's misdirected, chasing everything. This is where the colostrum comes in, okay? And not the powdered colostrum you buy at a store. I'm talking about the raw colostrum, the real stuff, okay? So it contains IgG antibodies, different antibodies that go in there and basically attach to different things that shouldn't be there, like mycotoxins, bad bacteria, fungus, candida, etc. It also acts as sort of a vaccine where it gives your body the basically the antibodies that it needs to be able to fight off these things. It kind of like it's the same thing as kind of like getting a vaccine in a way. If there's a bunch of different antibodies to different bacteria that are in there that the cow is exposed to, and you have some of those bacteria in your gut, this can help to really get rid of those, right? But the key point is that it stimulates your IgA response, okay? And IgA is something that really kicks your immune system into gear in your stomach and starts to remove things. So it actively stimulates your immune system to start really seeking out things and getting them out of your body. And when my immune system was a complete wreck, I was just, rashes all over me, had lost 80 pounds, reacting to everything but 5 different foods, unable to go to the bathroom on my own for 2 years. When I was a complete wreck, it got my immune system going, Yeah, it took 3 to 6 months to be able to really get my body going, but I was going to the bathroom again. My stomach started to feel semi-normal. I was starting to get strength. When your immune system is shot, you need an immune boost from some external source. The best things that I've come across have really been the raw colostrum and then the beta-glucans, which is great if you get the right brand, all right? The arabinogalactin, which is another one that's dependent upon brand, but really great, and the astragalus root. There are other ones, but these are the ones that I would just throw out in this video. These things are immune stimulants. They kick the immune system into gear to start to actually get rid of these things on its own. And when that happens, the immune system, you'll retain the progress that you make, right? When you're trying to kill things and you're trying to keep fighting parasites and kill bacteria and candida and all that, you're doing nothing about the immune system. You're just trying to kill. But the reality is you don't need to kill. You need to get the immune system kicked into gear to get better. And that's the reality. So that's why you need to use immune stimulants. Initially, when people are really shot, their immune system, and they're reacting to everything, or they're in a really tough place, you got to first get the irritants out of their diet, all right? You got to make sure they're not eating things that they're triggered to. You got to make sure they're not taking 14 supplements and they're reacting to some of the supplements, Once you get these things out of the way, then you focus on doing things like the raw colostrum and the immune stimulants one at a time. You start easing your way into them. And then you let the immune system heal the body on its own. You're not trying to play God here. We don't need to play God. All we need to do is promote the immune system to heal itself, heal the body on its own. Your body's meant to heal. It's able to heal if we get out of its way and we let the immune system do it. So this is how I focus on things with clients. It's very gentle. It's removing the irritants, getting the body balanced, then promoting healing through the own immune system, restoring the key nutrients, that the enzymes depend upon, getting the detoxification back to normal, getting the detox system working. These are the main priorities, but always keeping the immune system in mind, number one, because that is the key to healing. Because guess what? If your immune system isn't working well, the infections grow back, the symptoms come back. Your inflammation is caused by your own immune system. That's it. Nothing else causes your symptoms besides your own immune system. Nothing. Right? That's the reality of it. Inflammation is the driver of all symptoms, and your immune system causes the inflammation. Even if it's reacting to a bacteria, a fungus, in a byproduct of that organism, it doesn't matter. The reality is, it's always your immune system. So Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk a lot more about how to stimulate your immune system, how to go ahead and get through these chronic illnesses. This is my niche. I made a promise to God here 15 years ago that I was going to do this when I got better. I'm better, and I'm doing it, and I'm helping my people here all over the world, internationally in the U.S., and it's been just such a blessing. So, thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you again on the next video.